Hello everyone, it's Mario, but we're talking about welcome to Chef Mario's kitchen. We're going to be showing you how to bake a cake in the microwave. So we'll get started right now by doing so. The first thing we're going to do is get a large bowl. I'll put it right here. So there's a bowl. So now let me go get the flour. So we got the flour. You're going to add a cup of flour. Then you will put the white sugar. There's our white sugar. And then you put a cup of white sugar. Now we put the white sugar in. There we go. Let's go. Then we're going to add the brown sugar. Now we have added the brown sugar. Now a spoon of baking powder. Apparently I don't know how to baking powder, but we'll use this instead. I'll be using whipped cream. Just like that. It's looking good. Add a little baking soda. Like this amount. Good. Let's go. Add a little bit of salt. We add a little bit of salt. That's good enough. And then we mix it all together. Mix all the ingredients together. I'll stir mine with a fork. Stir. We're going to be stirring for a while. I'll tell you when it looks good. I mixed it for a while, and this is how it looks. It's looking quite good, I think. So I'll go to the next step. And in a separate bowl, we add an egg. So we crack the egg. There we go. Then we add a glass of milk. Just enough. Now we add a little bit of vanilla extract. There we go. Then we mix them all together. Once it's done mixing, I'll tell you when it's done. Then we put the dry ingredients in this pot. Here we go. We'll put it all in there. Now, we put the wet ingredients in the pot. It's looking quite good and moist. Look at it go. There we go. Now we add in the melted butter. Gently mix the cake. Now we're going to put our cake in here. So wait until I'm done doing that. Now we do that, we put it for 12 to 10 or 11 minutes. Let's go. I'll do it when it's cooked. Let's go, we got a lovely cake. Cake looks mighty good. We're just going to move on to the first thing real quick. Chop the butter. Then mix the butter. Then you add the sugar. Then add a little vanilla. Then you add the milk. Here's the finishing product. Let me go get a plate. Now we cut the cake. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.